wanna know.
Hello you guys, it's Nylajai'ne and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And as you guys can see by the title, I'm going to be giving you guys a DIY hair tutorial, and I'm so excited for this one because I've never done a hairstyle before. For today's video, you guys, the locks are going to be giving curly buzz down, and I will be showing y'all how to do it. As y'all know, half of the time I do my hairstyles, it'll be my first time trying it, so this really is a DIY, and let's just kind of figure it out together. So for the products, I'm using my gel that I always use in my videos, which is my Neat Braid Conditioning Gel. You're gonna need rubber bands. Make sure you have your rubber bands, your products, a comb, and hair. So for this hairstyle specifically, I will be using human hair because I want to take care of it and style it as if it were human hair, and I have to deal with all the tangleness since it will be a lot of hair. So I will be using human hair today, and the hair that I recommend for you guys to be using, I'll be using this hair. I will put a link in my bio. Now you can use synthetic hair, but I just recommend human. I feel like it's a lot of hair and we don't need all the tangleness and everything going on, just to make everything easier and smoother. This is the hair. Let me actually open it because they have different textures and I wasn't really sure which one I wanted for real, but they had like a looser curl. I got more of like a tighter curl, and this is 18 inches. Anyways guys, let's get into this video and you guys will be able to watch and learn and see how I will be doing this. As y'all know, this is a DIY, so I'm doing this on myself, and half of the time that I'm presenting hairstyles to you guys, it is my first time trying it. So when it came to this first row and this first twist that I had to do, it was really me trying to figure out the technique that I wanted to use. So that's what I was doing. But when I got the hang of it, it came out really cute after the first two rows, and I was like, okay, it wasn't that hard. So here y'all can kind of see exactly how I do this twist. So if you guys have seen my other videos of me two-strand twisting my hair or two-strand twisting my client's hair, anybody with locks, you guys should understand the technique at this point. But if you don't, I'm going to put a link up so you guys know how to do two-strand twists, and I'm also going to kind of briefly explain. So two-strand twists with locks, if you don't know how to do that, then I don't know how you're going to be able to add in this boho hair, because that is a whole nother thing in itself. But once you get down the two-strand twist method, then you should have an easy time adding in the hair. But two-strand twisting, once again, whatever direction that your locks were started, that's the direction that you want to retwist your hair in. So I retwist my locks to the right, and then I retwist the right lock over the left lock always. So you guys can kind of see how I do that, because that's how it stays secure. So I twist it down maybe once or twice, and then I take the hair, which, like I said, with this hair, thankfully they have it to where it's not like a band or like anything connecting the hair together where I have to cut excess hair off. But at the very top of the bundle, it's kind of straight, which makes it easier for me to add in the hair. So the little straight part that's like a few inches at the top, I take that shorter part that is straight and I add that into the twist, and I twist it down 2 times, and then I take the longer part and I take that out and put it away. And I added about 3 to 5 curly pieces. It was kind of thin at the bottom as far as the thickness of the pieces that I was grabbing. It was thin, but I wanted it to be fuller, so that's why I eventually started adding thicker pieces. But depending on how long your locks are, or not even, well, yeah, depending on how your locks are, depends on how much space you have in the twist to add in the boho pieces. So I would just add in however much space I had. I would add in however many pieces that would fit in the space that I had in my two-strand twist, because, you know, my hair isn't the same length all around. But yeah, it was really like 4 to 5 boho pieces per twist. So y'all should see how I am doing that. And when it came to the very end, so even though I added in the boho pieces, when it came to the end, I did want the hair to be like kind of lengthy. So when I got to like the very end of the twist, I added in a strand, same method, twisted that down a few times, and then I took out the curly piece, put it up. That was the part I kind of had a hard time figuring out when I was first trying to figure out how to do it, but it literally is no different. You just take that strand, put it out the way at the very end, and the same way you would secure 2-strand twist without adding boho pieces is the exact same way you were going to get with the boho pieces. Now you might have some excess hair, as you can see from the boho. It's the straight part. That kind of excess hair is a little longer than my 2-strand twist, but I literally just like twisted it in with my lock. Not my lock. I literally just 2-strand twisted it in with my 2-strand twist at the end, and I kind of wrapped it around in a little ball, and I secured that with a rubber band, and then I just cut off any like excess hair at the end, and then I took the pieces down, and that was literally it, you guys. Once you get the hang of it, it should be easy. But if you already don't know how to just 2-strand twist hair in general, then please go watch the videos that I'm recommending to you guys. So yeah. So once I was done with the hairstyle, I did spray it with some water. You guys can add mousse in the hair. This is exactly why I'm recommending human hair to you guys, and specifically this hair. I really like this hair. And I did spray it with some water, and I kind of trimmed it and cut it up a little bit just to kind of give it more of a look that I was going for. You guys don't have to do that. I just kind of wanted to look more well-rounded. So I went in, kind of shaped it up, and that was pretty much it, you guys. It came out really cute. It literally looks like a curly down. Like, I also wanted to add, y'all, I only literally use one bundle and like a few pieces from the second bundle. So I got 2 bundles and I really only used one, and then I needed a little bit more hair from the second bundle, but I recommend y'all literally just getting 2 bundles. A lot of hair came in that one bundle. So like 5 to 6 hours later, I'm finally done with my hair. This isn't the longest hairstyle I've done on myself, but definitely one of the longest hairstyles. I didn't think it was going to take that long, but people really underestimated how long it takes to add in boho curls. It takes a good amount of time, but I went in and kind of shaped it up a little bit, and that's pretty much it. I really like it. It's literally giving wig, except it's not a wig, you know? And it'll last longer than a wig, so why not just go ahead and get this hairstyle? But that was the end of the video, you guys. I hope you guys were kind of able to understand how I did it, and obviously you can kind of like use different hair textures and do it the way you want to do it. Comment down below and let me know what else you guys would like to see. I will see y'all in the next video. Goodbye.